general. So when we multiply these numbers, if you remember our previous video, if you look how we are going to multiply these digits with this digit number. So the first one means is one line, is that? This is one line. And this will mean, you know, this is the second two lines. Second number refers to two lines. And 5 means now it is going to be the number of 5 lines. It is just done like this one. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 and 5. Then let's see what is the second this in general mean. So 120 means the first digit is the 100 digits represents only one line, and the second digit is gonna be that is representing 2 digits number. So now we have this one, and the last will represent 0. That means we have to make just like this one. Is that? So how we are going to multiply this number? Let's enjoy with this multiplication. Let's enjoy yourself. So always you have to count. You have to start from this one. Therefore, there is an intersection point of this one. This one. That means this is broken line mean it refers to 0, and there is 5 line. These 2 lines, these 5 lines, and these will never have any intersection, and this value has to be 0 always. When you come to the case of this one, the intersection of the 2 line is gonna be intersection of this and this is exactly 1. And let's continue this way. Look, how many intersection points do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there is 0. So we need to just add this problem. That is going to be 10. But in any digit, there will be a unique number. So 10 means we have to write only 0. 1 should be carried to the next. Then when you come to for the next, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 5, this is 9. This is 4, this is 5, and this is 0. So we need to add all these values. That is gonna be these 9 plus 0 is 9 plus 1 will be 10, and this also move 1 must be moved to the next. Now here we have only 2 intersection, and there is 2 intersection. Then we have to add these 2 plus these will be 4 with 5 with 1. That is this one. So we have to add these all. We have to add all these, and the result is gonna be you have to read from these to this, and this result is going to be what? Now 15,000. That this is 15,000. That means the product of 125 times 120